smoke. Now what's that?
It's wild comb. You scrape basically that. What that does is it'll attach to the bottom,
Okay.
so they can climb right back up.
Oh, I see.
So. Are they after you? We probably should have got the smoker. Try to figure out which one's the best one to get out. They still haven't put anything on this one. So what you do, John, usually is you just go one by one.
One by one?
Yeah, so we usually take the spare one, we'll just lay it down, and that way you're able to slide over each frame as you go, because you will kind of try to keep them in order.
Yep.
But this one's not even, this thing doesn't even have anything on it either.
So can you skip?
You scoot it over, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Ah.
Check it.
That doesn't have anything on it either.
Yeah. There's lots of bees inside though. See the populace there?
Yep.
And a lot of people actually collect that.
Oh, really?
There's a lot of stuff you can do with it.
Huh.
So this has some comb on it here. This side.
It looks like that's got, quite a bit. Quite a bit.
So that's all honey inside there.
Now what's that?
That's capped honey.
Okay.
And all the other liquid's honey that's going to be capped later on.
I see.
Yeah. So they're just filling all that in.
Okay. We ran into a guy from Colorado that says that's a beekeeper, and he says he travels to California with I don't know whether, I guess it's with the hives.
Oh yeah. The neighbor, Skip. What's his name?
Your neighbors?
No, Mike's.
Oh,
Butch.
Butch.
He was a truck driver,
Yeah.
and he used to transfer big old beehives.
Oh.
I think it's that yellow shirt you got on, Ralph. Just don't swat him, you'll be all right.
Well, I don't blame them. We're really into their territory here. Oh yeah.
So that's capped honey. I don't know what that
This
is.
side, very little is kept.
Okay.
We've got a lot of comb.
Yeah. We got a lot of pollen storage.
Really?
The flat,
Yeah.
see those flat pieces there? You see the larvae?
Yeah, yeah.
So you got different stages of the bee there.
Oh,
You
I
have the
see.
larvae, the capped. I think after 10 days they cap it. So then you have the larvae, and then I can't.
Huh.
There's no eggs in this one yet. Yeah, there's no eggs in this yet.
You need to make these snug all the way.
I'll push it back
Oh,
once
back.
we're done. Yeah.
Okay. Got it. So you keep them in the same order.
Same order.
Any reason for that?
I don't know, honestly. And now they're all fired up.
Oh, that one's very loaded. Uh-huh. Huh.
Come on this side. Can't see anything.
Bird taking pictures.
Yeah, that's worth it. So you got a bunch of capped,
Yep. Yep.
and then you got a bunch of larvae on the left-hand side.
Oh, yeah.
There's tons of larvae in all those.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you see all the white. You can see all the white inside, all
Yep,
the empty
yep.
holes, most of the holes. That's why I'm a little concerned with that one. I think it's not a queen.
We got several things that are kind of growing.
Yeah. Just checking that one. That's. No, I'll leave it there. Not.
All right, good.
Yeah, we'll scrape them off. Bunch of brood and eggs and anything capped like that. The dark cap is all eggs and larvae. Yeah.
Oh, really?
All the honey will be capped on the outsides is all white,
Yep.
kind of on the corners and stuff like that.
Yep.
And then some of these should be all full honey. Those get really heavy.
Really?
I found the queen. You're in the center, right in the center of the board. Big old thing, real big in, back in, right in the center, the exact center. Walking towards you now.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I see her.
All right, so we can go ahead and put it back now.
Okay.
Since we found the queen.
So you got a healthy queen.
Yep.
this up.